Hello, this is a software engineering project. Main goal is create an app in which we can share and edit images. So here I log in the Swagger documentation, and here we can see all the methods, all the request methods listed out in the documentations, methods like for users, etc. And here we can see the models, the user model, album model, image model, etc., in which we have fields like ID, name, status, the image itself, creation data, etc. So let's go to the albums requests. So here, if we try it out, we get a response in which we get all the albums and their IDs, their names, their creation date, which user has created that albums, and so on. So now let's get to the images. Let's execute a request as well. And with the response, we get the IDs and other information about all the images that are in our database. And we can explicitly select an image by writing an ID of it. So here we get an info about image with ID 14. So to demonstrate the project, I created a simple template, even though this is a mainly backend project. So here I go down through the registration process. It has some validation, like you can't just enter an email that do not exist. And I create a simple password. Here a problem occurs that there's already a user with name Zio, so I create another name. And it redirects me to the login page. So now I'm logged in. And here I can upload an image. So I choose any image, can name it anything I want. Also I can choose whether it will be public or private. Right now I will choose public. Then I will add some more images as well. And the last one is I will make it private. So the butterfly image is private. So now if I log out and log in as a different user, I can see all the images that are public, but the private one isn't seen. This one, butterfly, was uploaded by another user, which is 1234, and not the one which we created, user R. So also I can create albums, and in those albums I can actually upload images as well. So here I'm uploading some other images like cats, bridges, etc. And coming to the profile, right now we are logged in as a different user, so we do not have any actual images uploaded except for albums. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna upload some other images, and if I go to the profile, I can see that they are there. So now coming to the photo edit part, the DATS model doesn't have much info containing, so here it is. That's because I decided to mainly do it using using frontend, because it is just much simpler. If I wanted to implement this work with backend, I would have to code this little knob down, I will have to make a model and view for it, and it would work much slower. So here we can change brightness, add some text, gradient, and all of that. Very simply, I just added on the left image submission form, so it is easily edited. So here we go to the code. Here's our main app, PhotoShare. In it we have the settings, and here's the user app, in which controls the user. Its views here, and models to control it. So the Photos app enables us to actually upload images and connect them to users that uploaded them. In media, we have all the images uploaded. Here's the API with its serializers, in which we write down the fields and the views for that serializers, which let the API work. In the album app, we create the albums, also connect them with different users. So that's mainly it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.